In this video, I will show you how you can remove any third-party app or website access to your Google account. If you no longer want a third-party app to have access to your Google account, you can remove them from your third-party connections. To find it, let's open the Gmail app. From here, tap on the top right corner on your profile picture and then tap on Manage your Google account. From here, tap on Security and Sign In. Scroll down to the bottom and here you will find your connections to third-party apps and services. Tap on See All Connections. Here you will find all the third-party apps and services you have given the access. Select the third-party app or service from the list whose connection you want to remove. Let's open this one. You can see details. You can stop using sign in with Google or you can remove all the access. Go back and here tap on delete all connections you have with that service or app and then tap on confirm. Now you are no longer connected to that website or app. You can connect it again at any time. This is how you can remove any third-party app or website access from your Google account. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.